Who God bless, no one can cause, yeah. No one can cause. Pave way for yourself. Bring a lot of attraction. Make people to envy you. You see this work? This work is to open doors, financial favor, financial breakthrough. Anybody we don't forget you, make them remember you for good. This work now for a lot of spiritual work. If you learn to do this work, you will always come back and say, boss mom, anytime I want fire up my spiritual energy, I do this sea salt. I do this sea salt and incense work. Is a work, okay? It's been done by great people. It's a work, all right? Now, if you always face debt, like you always the whole, when it reach time for payments, you know they get who want help you pay, and to constant money to pay your debts go come hard. It will be like it shock you, or way close, way tight. If you do this work, you always learn. It's once in a while work, or not say every day. No, you see, today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, okay? Today is September, Wednesday. If you want to do this work, make sure it's every Wednesday. So it's not a work that you will do every day. No. Wednesday have a spirit that is following it. On a good day, I will show you, or I will tell you each day different angels and spirits where they follow up. Yes, Monday gets spirit where they follow up. Tuesday gets spirit where they follow up. All right, on a good day, I will tell you. You're going to do this work every Wednesday. And that Wednesday will be early morning. Early morning. All right, yes. Early morning, not in the night. Early morning. And make sure your window is open. Make sure your window is open. If now you get your compound, this work, you can do it outside your house. Your house is going to be receiving good things, good news. And let me tell you, if you get any evil where they plant or where they put for that your house compound to bring you down, it can never work. It can never work. Burning incense, the spiritual work of incense, on a good day, I will tell you, you cannot burn incense and your life will remain the same. It's a lie. Things must change. Things must manifest. Incense is for the air element people mostly. Anybody can use it. If you always burn incense, that spirit of squandering money or money go come your hand, view, you know, if you can't do account of how you take use, and go stop. You go stop. Now you're going to do this for financial doors opening, breakthrough, success, good things. This is a special work done once in a while. You understand? When you do and relax and tell me how you see them. Okay, tell me how you see them. What it solve? What it go? You understand? Tell me how you see them. You're going to come back with testimonies. You're going to come back with a lot of testimonies. You're going to come back. You're going to always, like, you'll be short of the kind of testimony you want to give. You'll be like, I don't tire, also testimony they give. Yes. Get your incense. 4 incense is what you need. 4 incense like this you need. Another thing what you need now, your sea salt. I don't know how your salt be. Okay, like this salt when I get is very big. So I will have to pound them into powder form before I use them mostly. Okay, maybe that's salt way, maybe the salt way you see for this video as you enter. Now pound it into powder form if it's big like this. If it's not big, pour a lot of salt for ground. Get candle where you don't use, cut the down of the candle like this, cut them, then shook all this incense inside that small candle where you cut. Why you cut the candle? Now to hold them, may the salt hold, except you get many salt. If you pack a lot of salt for ground, then you put candle. I get many salt, but that candle I must honor as a fire element. It must join on, because that once that incense does the burn good, that candle go burn also. You can't the met. Yes, as a fire element, why I be and wind, I must combine them, conjure water, can be sea salt. All right. Hey, this is why you don't know what you are doing. All right, if you know the automatic way they combine together now, you go understand. All right, cut the candle, shook those incense inside. Now give the sea salt center space, okay? Put the candle for the center. Now use the sea salt, cover them together. You can also do this without candle. It's not compulsory you must have a candle. Don't ask me about which type of candle. Any candle of your choice, okay? But not black candle, because you want to bring good luck, you want to bring attraction. It's only when you want to do protection, back to sender, all those stuff, you can use black candle. Now, when you don't cover around together, pray over it and say, any spirit of depth, not be debt to depths, to the whole say, where good luck not they come meet you, market not they say, favor not they happen. See, as this incense burn down, may the universe grant my heart desire. May my name start attracting good things. May my doors be open. May God Almighty protect me. Pray your heart desire. Leave her make yours the born finish, okay? Leave her may born, all right? If not outside your house, you for do am, like compound of your house. Now you get your own house. The compound, now you for do am. Is it counting? Okay. If not outside your house, the compound of your house, you for do am. Leave her for ground there. All right. Only if not inside room, you for do am. Now you go pack them, go throw away for outside ground. All right. Yes. Any outside ground, whether na your house. As it be favor and blessing something, you must put up for your house. You understand? So you like say you throw away, what it concern you? You understand? Now, if now your outside compound, your own personal house, you for do am, leave it there. Not pack them, just leave them here. No wherever. You understand? You can even use that particular spot as your ritual and as your ritual cleansing and everything spot. When you want to do the work again another time, you gather around me again, you do. You understand? You're going to see things manifesting. You're going to see your enemy running hater and scatter. You're going to see unnecessary people telling you, I cannot come to your house. So, I don't know, anytime I come to your house, something like that. You understand? Evil people go stay away from you. You're going to see your business flourish. You're going to see things. Anytime you do this work, just pay attention to the positive things that you're going to be experiencing. You're going to see people that don't even want to call you before, people that forgotten you, people that don't even want to help you. They'll just call you and be like, okay, what were you telling me the other time? Okay, what were you telling me the other time? Okay, oh yeah, now, no problem. You understand? It make way for you. It open way, it paves way for you. It makes people who has forgotten about you remember you. It open doors. I'm not going to say it. You are the one to come for your testimony. Okay? Have a beautiful morning. Bye.